What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at another watch on my channel. This time, I'm stepping away from the Invicta. I normally do Invicta watches, but I'm taking a little break from them, and I'm doing a Casio watch today. So I got this one, and I'm planning on doing another one after this. Now, I don't work for them. They didn't send this out to me, and they're not paying me. This is just a watch that I decided to share that I picked up. Now, this is an inexpensive watch. But it's a very popular watch, and I decided to pick it up. So this is the Casio men's vintage watch. This is the model number A168WA-1, and I picked this up on Amazon. The price was like $21 to $25. I'm not sure, somewhere in that range. So very inexpensive, but like I said, this is a very popular watch. And I've always been interested and liked the Casios. I bought them a lot back when I was younger. So some of the features and details, this features a plastic case, but it has a stainless steel case back and bracelet. It has a digital display, which is a electroluminescent. It has a day-to-date calendar. You're also going to get alarms with that as well. You get a 1/100 stopwatch. This is powered by quartz movement, and it has a 7-year battery life. Now, the measurements on this is going to be 38.6 millimeters. That's the case diameter. You get an 18 millimeter band width. You get a 10 millimeter case thickness. You get 17 centimeters band length. Now, the watch only weighs 1.8 ounces, and it's 100 feet water resistant. So those are just a few of the features and details. As you guys see, I'm strolling down. You can pause this and read the rest of it yourself. But here is the packaging that it comes in. It does have a little sleeve over the top of it. We're going to get that sleeve out of the way. And then it comes in a beautiful blue box here. I'm going to take this off and see what else is in it. So here's the watch. So it comes in this everyday little stand here that you find at your Walmart or different places like that. I'm going to put the box back together. I kind of like the box there. Let's get that back. There it is. So let's take a look at the watch. They got it wrapped up in plastic here. And like I said, this is a popular watch, man. It's a small, way smaller than what I normally wear. All right, guys, so here's the watch. It is a very nice watch. Does feel a little plastic on the top right there. Very lightweight as well. As you guys see, not very thick, but it is a beautiful watch right here. So here it is. Here's a close-up of the face. So you're going to have your light button over here. You're also going to have your mode button right here. And this is your stop and start button. And as you guys see, you're going to have up here at the top, you got the Casio. You're going to have alarm chrono. I think that's how you say that. Water resistant down at the bottom right there. And you got the... trying to see what that says there, guys. Electroluminescent. So here it is. Beautiful, beautiful watch right here. Now you got to hold down on the button to see the light show up. It doesn't stay on. I was thinking it would stay on, but here it is. Not very thick. Here's the band, stainless steel band. Here's the clasp. You do have some branding right there. Open this up just by simply doing that. And it comes apart. Now there's some writing on the back, and I really can't tell what that says, but maybe you guys can. Maybe it has the model number and stuff like that. I'll be able to look at it later. Now, if you want to adjust this, you don't take out any links. You simply get something, and you take this. I got a little small screwdriver here, and what you do, there's a little hole right here, and you pry this up. So now you can adjust this wherever you need. So I'm going to put it right there. And when I get ready to try it on my wrist, I'll see if I need to change it. Let's get that to snap back down. There it is, snaps in place like that. So here it is. So if you wanted to set your time, you simply press the mode button here. As you guys see, I can cycle through here. That's going to be your alarms. This is your stopwatch, and this is your time. So if I want to set the time, I go back up to the top with the light, and the time is right now 6:45. Let's get back. So I take my stop, and start. I go up to 6, go back up. Now I'm going to go to 6:45. Now you don't have to press it. You can just press and hold. When you get close to where you need to be, you can let off of it. And then just right like that. And there it is. So that is set. The month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So it's going to be 7 on the month. There it is, setting the month. And then I need to set the date. Today is the 13th. And that says 14. So I'm going to have to go back. Today is the 13th. And there it is. And then today is Sunday. So I go up to Sunday. It's Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So there it is. That's how you set it and forget it. Just like that easy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it on my wrist to let you guys see what it looks like. Now I have a 7¼ inch wrist. We'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, so here it is on my wrist. I had to adjust the band just a little bit. 7¼ inch wrist. This does look a little tiny on my wrist, but I can rock it. No issues there. It feels comfortable, lightweight. You really don't even know you have this on your wrist. And let's hit that light again. Yeah, see right there. The only thing I don't like, you have to hold down on the light. It doesn't say lit. But here it is. 7¼ inch wrist, very light. And this would be something I just, going out casually or whatever. It's a very nice looking watch. It's not very thick and very lightweight. So it looks good to me. You guys see right there, very nice. And very easy to take off your wrist. And here it is. So this is the Casio model number A168WA-1 electroluminescent watch. I like it, guys. So I'm going to get that gold one. And I'm going to showcase that one to you next. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.